2020 State University of Malang. I will explain about the light spectrum.
The light spectrum is a description of the color components in a light with various wavelengths produced by the light source. Visible light is part of the electromagnetic wave spectrum that can be seen by the human eye with a wavelength of 380 nanometer to 780 nanometer. Light is measured in nanometers, and the light spectrum frequency is around 430 until 770 terahertz. Visible light wave exists between the infrared and ultraviolet light regions. In the 17th century, Sir Isaac Newton showed that if a polychromatic beam passes through a prism, it is separated by different wavelengths or monochromatic. The separation of visible light into light of different colors is known as light dispersion. Visible light, also known as white light, is composed of 7 different colors. The light spectrum produced by the dispersion is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. We can see the 7 colors in the rainbow. Rainwater reflects sunlight so that the light is dispersed into various visible light, which are commonly referred to as rainbows. Each wavelength in the visible light spectrum represents a different color. From red to violet, the wavelength decreases while the energy and the frequency increase. The color order of the longest wavelength and the lowest frequency is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and then violet. The wavelength of light is inversely proportional to the frequency, that is, the greater wavelength, the lower light frequency. Violet has the shortest wavelength with the highest frequency and has the most energy. Meanwhile, red has the longest wavelength with the lowest frequency and the least energy. A spectrometer is a tool that can be used to see the light spectrum of a substance. This tool works based on the properties of light. The light spectrum of a substance can be emitted when heated to high temperature to form a gas. The gas is then highlighted with white light until the light spectrum appears. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.